Hello everyone, myself Dr. Lokesh. I welcome you back in the Full Stack Studio. Today we have Professor Shivani with us. So Professor Shivani's research interest is data structure and algorithm. How data structure is important for full stack development. So Professor Shivani, please.
Data structure is actually a very important subject for any programmer. So, for full stack, since you are going to cover all aspects of programming, it is very important to know all the available data structures which are designed, and you must know their properties so that you can develop very good programs. Because no large program can be complete without the use of the existing data structures.
In full stack, what we have a person who designs something and a person who is involved in development. So my question is, where data structure is more important?
So there are two aspects of programming, as you have said, designing and development. So the designers may focus on the modular part of the program, and if we say in terms of backend, then front end and backend, then front end developers should focus on the look and feel of the application, but backend programmers should focus on the program, and we need to make programs very efficient and also shorter in length. So for that we need to use data structures.
There can be multiple questions from my side because I guess data structure have a good impact in the full stack development. So I feel data structure is very important at that point when we are creating a search box. I guess, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, you are absolutely right. So if suppose you are developing a web browser which is coming under the category of application programs, so you can see that there are bars which are giving
The search
you
bars.
indication for searching, as well as you can go from back link to the
Yes,
front link.
navigations, the page
Navigation,
navigations.
yes. So these all involve the basic data structures. They involve stacks, they involve linked lists. Now it is also important that linked lists be of any type. You should select the correct ones.
Yes, then data structure having a complete list of uses for the full stack developers.
Yeah, not only in web searches, you can see there are game development. So if you want to develop a program for Sudoku, N Queen's problem, Night Tour problem, Rat in a Maze, and many other problems, they all involve data structures like stacks. And if you talk about network programming, there no program is complete without a graph. It starts from a graph, it involves trees, and there are stacks and queues which are required for sorting the elements in the graph and for finding the nearest neighbor and for finding the shortest path.
Yes, and if I'm not wrong, decision making.
Yes, of course.
Because most of the time the backend developer is concerned about making the decisions.
Yes.
So data structure is the one, the decision making will be improved, I guess.
Yes. So you can choose the data structure which will give you the earliest solution first. So that will make it a very fast program.
Yes. So I guess this is definitely going to give a full stack developer a complete list of questions, or I will say list of advantages when they are using the full stack. Anything else that ma'am you want to share with our students related to this, how they should prepare to the data structure, how should they implement this the concept of data structure with full stack?
Yes. So the main thing is learn all the data structures and just learn to know in detail about all the properties which can help you in designing and selecting the best data structure suited for your current problem. That will make your programs efficient and of course shorter in code, which is of course the need of the hour.
As you see, it's very important to learn data structure. If you are a full stack developer, try to make it best possible you can. Thank you once again, ma'am.
Thank you.